Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Until 7:30 a.m. At 6:37 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Sprague Bank Light. The strong thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Oh, good morning, QS.
National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Man of War Key, Bank Light, Sprague Bank Light, Twin Keys, Murray Key, Florida Bay, and Little Rabbit Key. Boaters should seek safe harbor as quickly and as safely as possible. When downpours reduce visibility, slow down. The marine forecast.
Hmm.